Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2013 Toyota Sienna SE. This is a 4-door, 8-passenger minivan in pre-dawn gray mica. And under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 engine and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include power doors, roof rails, and a backup camera to give you a good blend of convenience and functionality. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this Sienna has to offer. Helping us into the Sienna is our key right here. We have our fob, we have the lock, unlock buttons, and then we also have the power doors so we can hold our button and that'll open up the sliding door. And then we also have a button right here that will close our door. Pressing that closes it right up. So nice and easy to pop the kids in. If we want to press that button, load something in ourselves, definitely can. So pressing the unlock button once will unlock the driver's side door, and then twice will unlock all four. We can hop inside. We'll look at our driver's side door and we have some nice detailing here, this little brushed metal looking piece with our window buttons, lock buttons, and window lock button as well. So just on our driver's seat we have our adjuster right here, our 10-way plus our lumbar support, and then we have our mirror adjust and traction control as well. So we'll grab a seat. Okay, we'll just wait for the beeping to stop. And then so we have 151,878 kilometers on the Sienna. A nice and easy to read instrument cluster as well. And then we have our button right here that will help us change our trips and reset them if we would like. So just on the left hand side here we have our volume buttons, we have our channel changer, and then we have our mode changer. And then on the right side we have our voice command, and then we also have our voice command, and then we also have our hands-free calling, and then cruise control right behind as well. So here we have our little display letting us know what's going on with our vehicle. We can press our brake, pop it in reverse, and this also acts as our screen for our backup camera. So we'll pop that back into park and then look down at our entertainment system. Nice and easy to read, easy green, or sorry, light blue, I guess you could call it turquoise, turquoise lettering. Our presets just down here. Then we can look at our CD, our presets that we have, our radio, and then our auxiliary as well. So just below that we have our central air conditioning, and we have our defrost modes right here that will adjust to whatever we need them to be. So we have our blower that's just on the left hand side here, and all of this is red up on our screen. We can change our temperature, and so we do have a dual zone temperature as well, so I'm changing that as well. Nice and easy. And then we also have our rear temperature, so it's a tri-climate system, driver's side operated via dial, passenger by buttons, and then rear by buttons as well. Pressing sync will get all three to operate on the same dial, as the driver's side takes precedence over those two. So we can press our rear power off, turn that one off. Looking at our info right here, this changes our eco right here, and it can give us some information. This is sort of a multi-information display just in the middle there. And then you can reset your trips, and then you can check your setup as well, changing some information you might need. We do have some cup holders right here, we can close that, and then we have some space plus a 12-volt DC outlet. Some space underneath here, and then we have USB and auxiliary ports plus another 12-volt DC outlet. Looking back here, we have two cup holders, and then pressing this button will open up our center console. Lots of room for storage in there. And then we have one and two cubby holes at the passenger seat, and this one is locking, so we can pop any sort of valuables we have, if we want to keep that out of anybody's sight, keep them safe and sound. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. Now let's take a last look at our 2013 Toyota Sienna SE. Some other features include power adjustable driver's seat, storable 8th seat, and tri-zone climate control to give you full customization. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so come on in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.